Hi, it's Pipe Cleaner Princess back with another video, and today this video is very different from any of the other videos because this video is a tips and tricks video. How many times did I say video? Anyway, so for the tips and tricks, I'm just going to be teaching you where I store my pipe cleaner ears and my pipe cleaners and where I get them, and a bunch of other stuffs? Wait, what? A bunch of other stuff on how to make your pipe cleaner Mickey ears good. So, to start, you may be wondering where I store all of my pipe cleaner Mickey ears because, well, I do have maybe like 62 of them, but I store them in a filing container like this because you don't want to end up with this, because this is just a pile of not even like a little bit of my pipe cleaners. It's only like 5 of them. So I am going to teach you how I store my Mickey ears away so that they're not in just a big jumbling pile in the middle of everywhere. So, you're gonna get your filing container. This one's very big. I have like a lot of them. So, with your filing thing, as you can tell, there are lots of Mickey ears in here. So, you're gonna take one of your Mickey ears. So, they're going to be like this, and then you're just going to put them down, like fold them down so that they're flat like this, or you can fold it to the front, but I like the back. So it's flat, and it does not ruin it at all because you can literally just go like pop, put it on your head, and then there you go. And it is very portable and easy because when you're traveling to Disney, you don't just want this in the middle of your car. So you're going to take your Mickey ears, you're going to fold it like this, and then with this, you're just going to easily slide it in there, and then it will easily shut. And that is the perfect way to carry your Mickey ears. So, because I just like take this on a Disney trip, and then boom, I get to pick my pipe cleaners. And so, just do the same thing. Fold it down, and if it's like a complicated one, let's say Goofy, as you can already tell, you might know what to do already. So, you obviously fold it down first, but then there's still this and this. Might be a little too big, so with the Goofy ones, you just fold down the hat, and it won't do any harm, because pipe cleaners are very bendable and you can easily pop them right back up. So you fold that and fold that so that it's flat, and I don't think you really need to mess with these, but you can just like slide them right over here, and then just slide it into an empty little slot, and then boom, fits right in. So that is how you store your pipe cleaner Mickey ears. Okay, next thing. So, you may be wondering how I just come up how to make a genie lamp on the spot. I don't do that because I don't want to, like, make it not look like a genie lamp or whatever. So, I have this bin of practice pipe cleaners. It is a mess, but I have all my practice pipe cleaners in this, so I just open it. I pick a pipe cleaner, and it's okay if they're like bended and all that sort of stuff. I'm gonna put this aside, and then with this, I just practice what I'm going to do. You don't need the certain color because this is just a practice pipe cleaner, so that, I mean, you don't really waste it because you can just literally undo it, put it back in your practice pipe cleaner bin, and then there you go, you can practice with it another time. So that's what I do for most of my little things on the Mickey ears, like the genie lamp, Peter Pan's hat, and Sebastian and stuff like that. So that is very helpful instead of just trying to do it on the spot so that you can practice. That's why I call it practice pipe cleaners. And then for my pipe cleaners, pipe cleaners are very cheap, and it's awesome because you can do so many crafts with them. And so I've said before, I get my pipe cleaners at Hobby Lobby, and they're so cheap. I love them. And yeah, so here are some of the pipe cleaners that I got from Hobby Lobby. So there's this one. It's like bumpy. I don't know. It's really cool. I use this on Kevin and Easter. You can just like be creative with this, and yeah, so these are really fun pipe cleaners, and it was very cheap. You can see I got that on clearance. Okay, and then this one I call animal print pipe cleaners. I think that's what they're called, but I'm not sure if you trust me on that. I'm not exactly sure on what the name is, but they're literally just, whoop, got two out, striped pipe cleaners. This one always reminds me of a tiger, and I use these pipe cleaners on my Animal Kingdom pipe cleaners. I think it was like perfect because Animal Kingdom, well, has animals. And then there's this style, the bumpy pipe cleaners. This is probably one of my favorites. I don't know why, I just love the feeling of this. Yes, you should get these at Hobby Lobby. They're super cheap, so it's not like I'm asking you to buy something that's like $10. And so I use these on my Forky and a bunch of others, I think. So I really like these. So these are three of the different styles that I got at Hobby Lobby. Of course, I got regular colors as well. And they come like really straight as well, which I like. And then I also have a ton of pipe cleaners. Yep. Oh, wait, it goes this way. And that's not all of them. So I'm not exactly sure where I got these pipe cleaners, but I don't think they're the best of like style, because here, I'm going to bring out my animal print ones. I'm going to take one out, and then I'm going to compare them to, let's say, this one. I don't know if there's like a difference, but I feel like these are like better and more straight. These are just like bleh, noodly. I don't know. But I don't know if you can tell. There might be a difference, but that's just how I think. So I have a lot of colors in here, and it's really cool. Yeah, so I am going to be using some of these pipe cleaners to help you make your Mickey ears, because I don't know if my videos are that descriptive or whatever. So I'm going to take just literally random colors. I'm not even like doing a character or anything. Just going to pick 5 random colors to help you make your ears straight, I guess. So, there are my 5 colors, and I'm going to put this big boy aside. There we go.